Tomorrow, we are going to be a board-certified pediatrician. Fleur Antoinette Santa Maria.
Pills. And then I would like to know can the patient move all extremities spontaneously? Are there any sensory deficits?
Say hi to your haplamate! So, yesterday we passed the written board exams, but we still have oral. So, my oral schedule is on Sunday. Jem is saying about, kaya ganun yung sound. But I'm studying again, so this time for orals. More of memorization on my end and like to have a flow of things. And tinitignan ko yung mga criteria, tinitignan memorize and understand para mas ma-remember ko. So, actually, para siyang revalida this time yung oras namin, walang actual patient. So, it's more theoretical than doing your history and PE in your patient and diagnosing that patient on the spot. So, this is different. So, you're given limited information and you have to go about it. So, I guess yun yung difference. Kasi may iba kasi yung nakita yung patient, like yung sa UST dating yung valid namin, kita mo yung patient. Of course, we can pas na-interview namin, diba? So, yeah. So, this time, it will be like one-on-one. So, I'm kind of nervous. It's giving the revalid the anxiety again. But, yeah, we can do this, guys. Di bale, when you guys see this video, we're gonna be CPS diplomate. Manifest ko na yan, guys. Lagay ko na dito sa, like, sa harapan ko. And everyday ko siya nababasa. Everyday ko nire-remind sarili ko na ito yung goal. Yan, may pangalan ko, Ian Ong Lao. Alright. I'm gonna continue studying. Feeling ko mostly yung mga study ko hindi na nakikita on video. Busy ako, guys. But yeah, okay. Let's study. Let's take. Ito yung mga highlighters natin.
Sound, can swallow, good cry. No involuntary movements, no spasticity, no preferential movement, symmetric withdrawal to tickle, supple neck, positive reflexes +2 on all. Babinski bilateral, no close. What other
guys, so we are on the last stretch of this exam. Tomorrow is the orals day, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm just reading through some case stuff, but we're gonna have practice in 30 minutes with my batchmates at 1 p.m. So we've been practicing daily actually. Kahapon we started sa gabi, so it was 7 p.m. all the way to 12 a.m. So right now, since tomorrow is the exam, we're starting 1 p.m. para matapos kami around like 5 or 6, and then we can, you know, just read on our own after and or just relax. When it comes to oras kasi, I feel like even though I'm reading, it will be really different when I'm actually there. So just have to really believe in myself, let go and let God. And also I bought a watch because wala kasi akong analog watch, or like I only have a smartwatch. I used to have a G-Shock watch before. During med school, I had in college, and I used it the whole time. I don't know where I put it na. Because the whole time I was a resident doctor, I didn't have a watch anymore. I just use my phone. So right now, or actually I did have like a smartwatch with me, but kasi parang pansin ko yung smartwatch, lalo na yung Apple, ang bilis maubos yung battery. So, parang sayang lang din, and I got stressed with it. So, I just use my smartwatch for running instead, para ma-track down ko yung distance and everything. But I feel like for like everyday use, it will be this watch. So, this new, Jayam bought it yesterday. Actually, my mom bought it. Si Jayam lang nag-buy, and but like, it's my mom's birthday gift to me. So, it was just bought yesterday, guys. And I had to choose and pick one. Parang nagmahal na nga yung Baby G watch this time. Parang dati parang kuha ko 5K lang. Ngayon, it's 7K. But anyway, this is probably my third one na Baby G. And it's still white. All the Baby Gs I have were all white because it's easier to pair it. And also, like, it's easy to wear, etc. So, yeah, we have another one, and we can use it for orals tomorrow. So, yeah, I feel like this watch is super cute. There was another watch that was cheaper. Purple siya, pero parang hindi ko kasi yun mabagay with mga like susuotin ko kapag purple. Masyado namang, purpley. So, ayun. I bought something na I can wear, like an everyday wear, na nito lahat ng date, yung time, and yeah, also may light din siya. O, diba? I'm kind of nervous. I'm just really reading through stuff again, and it's raining. Jem is not here, went to the farm, so it's just me and my water. So, let's do this, guys. Last stretch. Tomorrow, we are going to be a board-certified pediatrician. Fleur Antoinette Santa Maria. O, kasi
lawak pero ate. Concentrate. Idikit mo iyan yung iyo.
Oo, yan.
Connect. Okay.
Nanginginig yung mga kamay nating lahat. Mami? Humanag tulog at the same time. Say hi to your new pedia!
Ay, pasara ka?
Yeah!
Ay, nana di ay?
Yeah! Just now.
Pas lagi.
I know.
Kagyong ka ni, kabaluga.
Nag-release ng results. Nag-release nag-list.
Wow! Pero, ganiya, pag-ingon na mo, anak ko, TTN, kanin doha, saro.
Doktora, congrats. Wow.